Assalamu alaikum dear students. Volumetric titration part 1 we have already done. Now we are doing part 2. Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are doing with the volumetric analysis, and the first part, that was preparation of the standard solution of your Mohr salt, that we have already seen. Now today's video we are going to do the titration. So for titration, first of all, you have to take your burette. This is your burette, that is your 50 ml burette, and you have to fill the given KMnO4 in this particular burette. Now let me tell you that KMnO4 you are going to use it over here will be prepared by teachers whose molarity and strength you don't know, and that is what you have to find out in this practice. So first of all, this is your KMnO4. Dear student, first of all, take little amount of KMnO4 and tilt it. We call it as a rinsing. We are rinsing the burette. Now what you have to do, you have to empty this into wash basin. I have removed all the KMnO4, means we have cleaned the burette, and now we will be filling the burette. Dear students, let me show you. First of all, we are having the solution more than 0. So what we have to do, we have to open this cork and we have to remove the more amount of the KMnO4 which is present over here and make it 0. So I have done it. I made it as a 0. Okay, so next what we have to do, our Mohr salt solution, we have to take it into the beaker. And this is your 10 ml pipette. So what we have to do, we have to serve little amount of the your Mohr salt, and you have to again rinse your pipette. Dear student, there is a mark on this particular also, and you have to take only this much amount. So you have to remove this. Another important thing, you have to use your fingertip, not your thumb. And you have to take it into your conical flask. That is how we are going to do. Now we have to add in the Mohr salt. We have to add dilute sulfuric acid. We have to add dilute sulfuric acid 10 ml. That is approximately the half test tube. Into your conical flask, and we will start with the titration. You have to use your right hand to hold the conical flask and your left hand to move the cork of your burette. Dear students, you should focus on your solution in the conical flask, not on the burette reading. this is your end point. The pink color is indication of your end point, and let me show you the burette reading. Your burette reading is coming more than 9. Okay, so your burette reading is coming 9.5. That is what you have to note down. Dear student, next time we will take again the particular same kind of the process we will do, and next time also we will be repeating it, and like this way you are going to find out the reading 3 times. Maybe you get the next reading like 9.9, maybe you get 9.7. Whatever the reading is coming, that is what we have to note down, and how we have to write, what kind of the calculation we have to do, I will show you very soon.